Worried mom calls officer who stopped her son. His response brought her to tears. This photo captures a touching moment between Virginia State Trooper Matt Okies and Virginia Tech student Joseph Owusu. It was 2 a.m., and Joseph found himself stranded in the middle of nowhere after a back tire blew out on his car. On his way home from school, Joseph called his mother, Dr. Nada Owusu, for help. But given the late hour and isolated location, she was naturally worried. When Trooper Okies approached the scene, Dr. Owusu's concerns grew. She feared he might question whether the car was stolen. Instead, the officer knelt down to inspect the tire, then used his patrol car's lights to illuminate the area while they waited for AAA. Even after roadside assistance arrived, he stayed until the tire was replaced, ensuring Joseph was safe. This simple, yet profound act of care led Joseph's mom to share the story, reminding everyone that good police officers deserve our support.